Peace, love, and light, family. This is Essie the Gardener coming to you with a live video on how I plant my garlic. Today was a really hot day. I did not get out early this morning to do anything because it was just too hot. So I came out at evening time. It's probably about 7:30 here in the Carolinas. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is actually have my soil already in my smart pots, my fabric pots already. All my amendments are in there. My nutrients, my dirt, for my soil, and all my compost and my feed is already in there for my garlic. So as you can see, garlic is very easy to plant. These are actually my garlic cloves right here, and what you want to do is plant it at the bottom where your point is sticking up top so that it can begin to form its foliage. So you just stick this straight down into the soil and you leave this top exposed to, you know, the sun and the weather. So garlic, from what I understand, is very easy to plant. You just plant it and you just leave it alone and you water it as it needs watering. So what I'm going to do is just plant them around in a circle in my smart pots, and once I finish planting them in a circular pattern, what I'll do is I will bring my camera over to you, over to the pot, so you guys can see how it's planted. It's very easy to plant these, and as you can see, some of these is already sprouted. You see that? Yeah, so that's a good thing. And also I need to give you guys an update on my raised beds. I actually got one raised bed done and I got 4 more to do. And I tell you, that one like to wore me out because I had to get that soil in it. I had to turn it, the soil with the nutrients, the amendments, the compost, the feed, everything. So it was a little bit challenging, but I got one done. So yeah, I'll show you guys that finished product as well on that one. And like I said, I have 3 more to go. So again, garlic is very easy to plant, and hopefully I'll be harvesting my garlic very soon. I have to check on the time frame of how long they take to mature. But as I said before, it's supposed to be an easy herb to plant, or fruit. I don't know if garlic is considered a fruit. If it's considered a fruit, drop me a line on my YouTube page and let me know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm thinking of it as an herb. So yeah, I'm sure it is a fruit. But everybody loves garlic, right? I know I do. My sons always say, "Mom, you think you got enough garlic in there?" Sometimes I use a whole bud of garlic. Use all the cloves in there. So I'm almost done, you guys. Want to fill this bad boy up. Let's see if I can find another little spot for this guy. Yeah, all these pieces up. So I have plenty of garlic to come. Yeah, again, it's been hot these last few days of August. It's been really hot. You can feel fall in the air. The coolness is coming in at night, maybe about 60, 68. I think one night it dropped down to 60. But yeah, so definitely getting ready for my fall crops. So yeah, let me show you guys the finished product on how it looks once you're done. So there you have it. So yeah, that's how you would plant you some garlic. It's real simple. Let me see if I'm getting that. That's a little bit better. Yeah. So there you have it, you guys. My planted garlic. So what I would do now is give it a nice drink of some fertilizer, which I use fish fertilizer, And I noticed that this has been working wonders on my plants. So this is very good. I'm not endorsing these people, they don't pay me for this, but yeah, fish fertilizer by Alaska is a very good fertilizer, and I've been using this pretty much on all my my veggies. Yeah. So yeah, you guys could try this. Probably most of you gardeners are using this as well, or maybe another brand. But yeah, they sell this at Lowe's. It's very good, and I've been using it on my tomatoes, my eggplants, pretty much everything. It stinks. It really stinks very, very bad, but it works. It feeds your plants the way it's supposed to be fed. So yeah, you guys, definitely I'll bring you an update on how my garlic is doing. And let me give you guys a quick update on how my my raised bed turned out, where I planted my broccoli, and I also planted my collards and no, I don't think I put my spinach, just my collards and my kale and my broccoli. There you go. So let me take you guys over.